picture sa ice cream namin. Ano yung doon ng dalawa?
Shoot and then the mom thing.
Ay, video?
Walang picture yan. Gusto niya kumikilos.
Oo, buhay na buhay.
Post mo na.
Ara, thank you for ice cream. It's really nice.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you to all the madams here.
Thank you. Thank you for your
Cheers! Cheers for the successful day!
Yeah, thank you, ate. Sa experience.
Ayan, ang ganda pa ng background dyan. Oh. Wow, we are in the Grand Valley. Tingnan mo naman. Cheers!
Relax, relax lang tayo.
That's it. Ayan.
After
Ayan.
the event,
Dito tayo kay Madam, the founder of Maharlika.
Ayan, ang sarap Ara. This is Ara Street ice cream for today.
Thank you.
I
Ano
convinced
lang,
them to have
simple.
2 scoop of ice
That's
cream
it,
because
ang sarap,
not
sarap.
every day we can eat
Yes.
ice cream. This weather is perfect for this ice cream.
Very masarap talaga. Thank you.
O, diba? Parang na rin tayo nakarating Canada, diba? Ang maganda kaya, tanong niyo sa mga kakilala niyo kung nakarating na sila dito. Baka hindi pa.
Ako nga, na-surprise, parati kang pupunta dito eh.